talking to other books helpers, and it was recommended to get in touch with Áis and Foras na Gaeilge and Lisa, and I spoke to Grania from siopa Lower.
Dúna muid dáileacháin ar na leabhar Ghaeilge a leagadh tar fáil ag tá na cólachtaí fáilseáin ag danghaile áis chun siad ólas an agus chud muide an tóla sin ar ag na siopaí in sin. Tugann muid cuairt ar na siopaí agus duna muid caint a gohfuil siad ar na orlas frí na leabhar Ghaeilge is dearnaí agus céimnú tá teacht amach. Is féidir an breanúir an siopa breanúir an spás atá acu agus cóirle a chud orb ó híomh ceanát sfear na leabhar bheith agus cé na leabhar chearta bheith.
Sa bhairge in a bhfuilmuid faoi láthair tá méid sin commartha chun leabhar a áilteach é siopaí leabhar. Caithfidh muid na le leabhar Ghaeilge a bheith lár an énig.
Tá áis annachhabach a fuain mar ailseathirí Ghaeilge cíntin áis go bhfuil ar leabhar ní specálaí si bhí leabhar timpeall na tíre agus tá bhfuil deanna bhuiamh as na leabhar scafa.
Bhí an ólas acha ar an stoc agus cantá ar fáil, cantá ag gló, cantá astro, dar nóí céine praisina bhain leo, agus a rud is táhachtaí sin an tagháil.
We're all in this together. You know, it starts from when a child opens their first book or has been read to at school, the libraries, the publishers. We are all in this together, and we're at the end. We're ending the end product. So it is good to have that guidance. And if it wasn't for, like for Áis personally, I wouldn't be, those books wouldn't have a prominence. They'd be sitting in the corner. This is customer-led. People are asking me about Irish language books, and I'm not able to help them choose a book. And one artist thought, I need help. So I thought, right, okay, they help us out there. All you have to do is ask. So Lisa came back straight away. Next minute, she's on the road. She arrives up in Derry, all the way from Connemara. And we sat down and went through the books, and I went, what was I scared of for so long? So I now, a year later, have an absolutely amazing collection of children's books, intermediate books, books for learners, books for seasoned Gaeilgeoirs and whatnot.
Is féidir le aon den gléfa chud ar áis nó riomhfos do chud an agus tá muid lán sásta cuairt a thuirt agus siopa agus cúna agus cóirle a chud orb am bheith.